Yeah, StereoPHiX 888. This is just, you know, getting down. I'm working on my logo. So, I had already started this, but you guys can check out as I go for the rest of it. Curved lines, baby. There's no straight lines in nature. I always wondered why I naturally drew curved lines. It's amazing what you can do with black and white. I mean, this space, you're using the white at the same time that you're putting the black down. So it's like you're almost simultaneously manipulating two colors. Just because you're putting the black down, but it's like having a big ass pool of white. You just adding black, adding black. Look at that. She looks badass, right? I hope I'm blocking it too much. Shit. It's not the best angle, but you're just gonna have to bear with me, y'all. I'm just getting started at this. One thing also I've learned, and if there's any ex-tweaker artists out there, it's very easy to overwork shit. So, but less is more usually, in most cases, for most things. Unless you're fucking with the American way, which is more is more. Look at it. There you go. There it is. So I need something more over here, huh? This is cool because me seeing it this way, as I record it, I'm actually seeing a mirror, a weird mirror, so I'm actually able to get a better idea of how to balance this thing out. Almost, huh? There we go. How's that? Okay, I see what I gotta do. Bring it on in on the inside right here. Ooh, how's that? Yeah, buddy. Now on the bottom, this goes like that, and then this goes like this. Trying to level this thing out, man. There you go. Now over here. I think I'm good. I think I'm good, yo. For now, for the purposes of what I'm trying to do, which is just make a thing for my Facebook cover art. There we go. Cover art thing. You know, so that's all I'm trying to do right now. And you know, I do it all myself, man. So I'm just drawing it so I can take a picture of it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I make these things myself, yeah. Alright, yo, that's it, man. I ain't fucking with it no more. I don't want to fuck it up. Thanks again. Like and subscribe, yo. Peace.